The universe is eternally captivating to humankind. The emissions from celestial objects such as black holes, neutron stars, and other energetic events arise from intricate physical processes and provide a formidable challenge to understand. In order to surmount this challenge, ISRO is gearing up to launch India's first dedicated polarimetry and spectroscopy satellite, XPoSat. It aims to carry out research in space-based polarization measurements of X-ray emission from celestial sources. The XPoSat satellite will be carried by a four-stage DL variant of the PSLV C-58 rocket from the first launch pad of the Spaceport of India, Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDSC Shar, Sriharikota. XPoSat will be positioned in a circular low Earth orbit with an altitude of 650 kilometers and 6-degree inclination. The XPoSat satellite has been configured in a modified IOS-2 bus. XPoSat has been ingeniously engineered to accommodate a duo of payloads, namely POLIX and XSPECT. POLIX is realized by the Raman Research Institute, Bengaluru. It will measure the polarization of X-rays in the energy band of 8 to 30 kilo electron volt, emanating from about 50 potential cosmic sources. URSC ISRO realized XSPECT. It will carry out long-term spectral and temporal studies of cosmic X-ray sources in the energy band 0.8 to 15 kilo electron volt. XPoSat, through its X-ray polarization measurements and analysis of long-term spectro-temporal variability, aims to provide essential insights into the nature of high-energy cosmic sources in astronomy. The lifespan of the XPoSat satellite is expected to be 5 years. Subsequent to the injection of the XPoSat satellite, the terminal stage of the launch vehicle PS4 will be restarted twice in order to reduce the orbit to a 350-kilometer circular orbit. The PSLV Orbital Experimental Module 3 will conduct the scientific experiments on 10 payloads from ISRO and various private space agencies. With this launch, ISRO will be able to broaden its scope in the field of astronomy and play a crucial role in developing competence in X-ray polarimetry and spectroscopy in India, which will lay the foundation for future enhancements and foster collaboration within the astronomy community.
PSLV C-58 द्वारा XPoSat उपग्रह को सतीश धवन अंतरिक्ष केंद्र शार श्रीहरिकोटा के प्रथम प्रमोचन मंच से भारतीय मानक समय के अनुसार सुबह 9:10 पर प्रमोचित किया जाएगा.
The launch of PSLV C-58 XPoSat mission will take place today, the 1st of January 2024 at 9 hours 10 minutes Indian Standard Time from the first launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, Sriharikota, the Spaceport of India. The telecast is brought to you live from the Mission Control Center, courtesy Doordarshan. Now we bring to you an integration video of how the rocket has been assembled at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. You can see on your screens the beginning of the launch campaign with the flagging off of the nozzle end segment for the core motor. In the PSLV integration facilities, the stage 1 motor is being assembled segment by segment. The S139 motor consists of 5 segments, a nozzle end segment, 3 middle segments and 1 head end segment. Two middle segments had been assembled, and this is the head end segment, and here's the igniter. C-58, being a DL version, has 2 strap-on motors, which are PSOM XL motors carrying 12.2 tons of solid propellant each. This is being brought to the PSLV integration facilities where it is tilted and integrated with the core motor. These are the two strap-ons. The SITVC tanks being integrated now. SITVC stands for Secondary Injection Thrust Vector Control for the control of stage 1, and this is RCT, Reaction Control Thruster Related Systems. Here you can see the interstage being carefully hoisted with the help of facility electrically operated overhead crane and being integrated to the core motor. And the second stage, PS2, which is a liquid stage, is prepared in a separate assembly building, being tilted. Vikas engine powers second stage of PSLV. It is being integrated with the core motor, and two stages are ready. Here, the PSLV is being transported in its semi-integrated condition from the PSLV launch integration facilities to the mobile service tower.
आपने देखा प्रथम चरण तथा द्वितीय चरण का समायोजन पूर्ण कर यह तृतीय चरण को तथा चतुर्थ चरण को एक साथ समायोजित किया जा रहा है। इस समायोजन को MST मोबाइल सर्विस टावर पर लाया जाता है। सभी कार्य पूर्ण कुशलता तथा दक्षता के साथ संपन्न किए जाते हैं। यह है हमारा PSLV C58 का उपग्रह XPoSat तथा दक्षता के साथ संपन्न किए जाते हैं। यह है हमारा PSLV C58 का उपग्रह XPoSat। इसमें दो मुख्य निदभार हैं जिसका नाम है XSPECT और POLIX। पूर्ण परीक्षित कर XPoSat को भी पेलोड एडेप्टर के साथ चतुर्थ चरण के ऊपर में समायोजित किया जा रहा है। इसके साथ ही पोयम के लिए 10 नितभारों को चतुर्थ चरण के साथ समायोजित कर दिया गया। इस समायोजन को मोबाइल सर्विस टावर पर लाकर PSLV रॉकेट के साथ समायोजित किया जा रहा है। यह ऊष्मा कवच हीट शील्ड और इस तरह तैयार है PSLV C58 रॉकेट। यहां से परीक्षण शुरू होते हैं और परीक्षण पूर्ण होने के पश्चात प्रमोशन की स्थितियां प्राप्त की जाती हैं और प्रमोशन किया जाता है।
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Bright morning of the New Year's Day made brighter by a majestic liftoff. PSLV C58 carrying India's X-ray polarimetric satellite towards its destination.
जी हाँ, इस वर्ष का प्रथम प्रमोशन श्रीहरिकोटा के प्रथम प्रमोशन मंच से PSLV C58 का हमने सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन देखा और यह अपनी उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर निरंतर बढ़ता हुआ प्रथम चरण का निष्पादन पूरी तरह सामान्य